Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these amazing Oreo lava cakes. They are outstanding. They are made with an exterior of chocolate cake and inside you have this melting white chocolate ganache with Oreos in it. It's perfect as you can see. So let's start with the ganache. So our secret tip in this recipe is to make the white chocolate ganache and then freeze it and put it inside our cakes. So I'm going to make it now. I'm going to cut my white chocolate just to make sure that it melts easier, and then I will add the cream and melt them together. Once your white chocolate is fully melted in the cream, I'm going to add the Oreos that I've just chopped really finely, just to make sure that we don't have big pieces of Oreo, and then I'm going to mix that up. Our ganache is done, so I'm going to put it in the fridge for about an hour or until it's kind of solid. We will need to make balls out of it, so it needs to be a bit hard. My chocolate ganache has hardened a bit, so now I'm going to make balls of chocolate ganache and it's going to be divine. As you can see, the texture is already amazing, and I'm going to put them on a plate with some plastic wrap just to make sure that it doesn't stick, and then we can put them in the freezer for about an hour or so, or until they are fully solid and fully frozen. Okay, so the chocolate ganache part is done, so now let's take care of the cake, and I'm going to start off by melting together my butter and my chocolate. I'm using some very dark chocolate here, and I'm going to just use a microwave, but you can definitely use a water bath. Perfect, now I'm going to add the sugar, and then 2 large eggs plus 1 egg yolk, and I'm going to mix that well. For the dry ingredients, I'm just going to add some flour, of course, but just a little bit, as well as a pinch of salt to balance out the sweetness. And I'm also going to use, of course, some vanilla extract, as in all of my recipes.
1, 2, 3, go!
My batter is now done, so I'm going to put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour, or until it gets a bit more firm, and then we can bake the cakes. As you can see, I'm using a muffin mold. You can use whatever mold you would like, but this one is very good, and if you have lava cakes mold, of course, use them. And I'm going to start by spooning in some chocolate cake batter, of course, and then I will add the frozen ganache. Now I'm just going to cover the top of my cakes with more chocolate cake batter, and then I can bake my cakes in my preheated oven at 210 degrees Celsius. That's about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to bake them for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I really suggest eating them warm, it's even better. So this video is already done. As you can see, it was very fast to make these chocolate lava cakes. They are outstanding and your family or friends would definitely love them. They taste divine and look very complicated, but they were very easy to make. You can find the entire list of ingredients in the description box down below if you want to try it, as well as my social media, so Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Please subscribe to my channel, it really means a lot, and like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time for another amazing recipe. Bye!